Okay. Okay. Hello, guys. Today we're going to have a case study on SpaceX. We all know SpaceX has an aerospace company who is creating a disruptive business across even in the private sector, and even in the public space agencies. We all know space agencies like NASA and ISRO. They were dominant till 2000s. So to create a specific goal for from an individual, they just needed to found a company from Elon Musk vision. So they have founded a company called SpaceX. So the main objectives of the SpaceX is to create a rocket that can be reusable, and the SpaceX has been planned to send astronauts to spaces. Even some operations are going on for the Mars project, which is to have an okay. So that's main thing. The main objective was to create a human society in the Mars. So these are some key strategies they are like planning. So the Elon Musk started the company, and we all know that the market positioning of the SpaceX is one of the largest here. Today, it's valued at more than $300 billion. One of the most successful companies who can launch the rocket at a very minimal cost. So next page. So the main customer targets are the commercialized satellite operators. We all know that I have just said that the SpaceX rockets are the cheapest one to launch, and that's one of the most successful ones too. So all the satellite operators now prefer SpaceX more than any other NASA or even the Blue Origin is being there. So more than that, they are preferring this particular one because this particular is faster and more cheaper to launch more than. And now the government agency is also giving some contracts to the SpaceX to do because the operating efficiency of the SpaceX is really high. We all know that, and the space tourism is one of the booming one. Currently, it's not that affordable. Only the high net worth individuals can be affording that particular. Then in the future, they are planning to get the future Mars colonization. So these are some things they are working on. So this is my point here. Thank you.
Value proposition. Reduce cost reduction 70% lower launch cost through the boost renewable and streamlined manufacturing and proven reliability 115 plus successful launches with expectational missions success rate. Uh, Rapid launch candies, high launch frequency and reliable scheduling unmatched in industry. Innovation leadership, Starline, uh, Constellation, Star uh, ship development, and mass ambition. Channels and customer relationship, direct sales channels, corporate website and launch mean first manifest. Uh, Dedicated account management teams and industry conference presence. Relationship strategy, long term എടാ ഒന്ന് കട്ട് ചെയ്യണേ ഈ ഭാഗം. Long term constants, multi launch mean with fixed pricing, technology partnership, joint mission planning and payload integration, digital presence, real time launch stream, social media and engagement, and star update, continuous innovation, regulate regular capability upgrades and roadmap, and transparency.
Revenue streams: 2 billion commercial launches, 3 billion government contract, 1 billion Starlink service. Key resources: manufacturing facilities, Howdron HQ, Boca Chica, Starship facility, multi-launch sites. Engineering talent, engineering talent. Key activities partnership, rocket vehicle, rocket production vehicle, vertical integration of components and assembly. Launch operations, range management and missions execution. R&D investment, Starship and next-gen technology development. Strategic partnership, government, NASA commercial crew programming, space for national security missions. Commercial, Starlight manufacturers Maxer plant, telecom provides of, for Starlink. Cost structure, R&D investment, Starship develop engine R&D material science. Manufacturing cost, raw material factory operations quality control. Launch operations, fuel range fees, mission control, recovery operations. Cost advantage, receivability reduced per launch, costly by 60 to 70% compared to traditional extendable rocket. Thank you.
Strategic conclusion. Competitive mode first mover advantage in reusability, vertical integration, supply chain, and proprietary technology create formidable barriers to entry. Revenue diversification, multi-screen model from launch service to broadband to future mass mission reduces dependency on single revenue source. Scalability challenge, Starship's operational Starlink profitability and critical for next growth phase and long-term mass vision. Next. Thank you.
ശ്രീജൻ cut ചെയ്തോളാണേ.